Hello, my name is Julie. I am the creator of Treasures Made from Yarn, and in this video I am going to show you how to make my wave pattern. And for that I'm going to use this scarfy yarn, and the hook size recommended for this is a K hook. So obviously this is a pattern stitch, so you can use whatever yarn and whatever hook size that you want. Okay, with that, I am going to, actually I forgot to mention, I had two versions of this. I had a smaller one and I had a larger wave, and because I'm using a larger hook and thicker yarn, I'm going to go with the smaller wave pattern. Okay, for the smaller version you want to make a number that is dividable by 18 plus one more chain for your foundation. So I'm going to do 2 repeats, so I'm going to make a chain of 36 plus one more, which is 37. So I'm going to start off and chain 37. Okay, I have done my 37 chain for my foundation chain. So what we're going to do is, in the second chain from hook, do a single crochet, and we're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch across. So I will meet up with you when I get to the end of this row. Okay, we have our 36 single crochet across. So for the next row, we're going to start your chain 1, which I did already. The next, we're going to do single crochet 2 together 3 times, and we're going to work in the back loops. This entire project is going to be worked in the back loops. So we're going to do single crochet 2 together once. And I usually do make a single crochet 2 together by inserting the hook into one stitch, drawing up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, drop a loop, and then we draw through all 3 loops. So we're going to do another single crochet 2 together one more time. Now in the next 6 stitches we're going to put in 2 single crochets. So we're going to put 2 single crochets in the next 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 6. The next, we're going to single crochet 2 together 6 times. So we're going to single crochet 2 together 6 times. So that's the first one. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And then we're going to do 2 single crochets in a stitch 6 times. So we're going to do 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and we're going to do that 6 times. So that's the first time, second time, three, four, five, and 6. Now we would repeat that. If you made it longer, you would do 2 single crochets together in the next 6, but we are at the end of this row. So we should have 6 at the end of our row. And then we're going to do 2 single crochets together 3 times. That's 2. That's 3. We chain 1. And we turn. That's what we got going on so far. Kind of wavy. But for our next stitch, for our next row, we're still working in back loops. We're just going to do straight single crochet across. Okay, we had just finished a row of single crochet across, and that's our pattern. That is the repeat of them 2 rows we just did. So I'm going to show you one more time our actual wave pattern row. So we chained 1. We are going to single crochet 2 together 3 times at the start of the row. So that's 1, 2, 3, and that's 3 together. And then the next 6, we're going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch for the next 6. So that was the first one. Grab more yarn. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the next 6, we're going to single crochet 2 together. So we're going to be 2 together 6 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in the next 6, we're going to do 2 single crochets in the stitch in the next 6. So that's 2 in that one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. So at that point we are at the end of our row. We got 6 stitches left. So we're going to single crochet 2 together 3 times. So that's 1, 2, 3. And that's what we're doing for this scarf. Chain 1, turn, single crochet in each stitch around, and then the next row is what we just did before. We would put 3 single crochet decreases, and we do 6 single crochet increases, followed by 6 more single crochet decreases, followed by 6 single crochet increases, and 3 at the end single crochet decreases. And that is it for this white pattern. So I like how it looks in the back loops. You're welcome to try putting them in both loops, but I like them in the back loops. And you want to end, you do want to end on the row that had the increases and decreases, because that way you have this ridge pattern. So I will show you how the scarf looks when I'm done. So you just keep doing those 2 until you reach the end, and I'll show you how it turns out. So this is how my scarf turned out. I like the colors of this scarfy yarn. As you can see, it measured about 46 inches or 117 centimeters. And if you like this video, please like, and if you want to see more content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.